it going, guys? Rick here with RLS Exhaust. I got y'all here today because I want to show y'all these new pictures that I have of the redesign and reworking of the F3 Touring and RT exhaust. So in this video, you're going to see the Crusher series, the Punisher series, the Twin Chaos, and the Echo series. So you got 4 different models. You'll see them in polished and black ceramic coat with my new logo. Now, the polished exhaust, the only way you can get those is to contact me directly at the website and have a special order. Same process, the black ceramic coat, but there's a little warning. Polished will discolor. It will change a golden color. It will do what's called heat tinting. So those are only available through special order, and you have to be aware of what'll happen to these exhausts, and that there's maintenance involved in keeping them polished and beautiful. So that being said, let's go into these videos. What I'm going to show you, like I said, is the 2016 through the 2024 F3 Touring and the 2014 through 2024 RT. Now, any of these exhausts will fit both of those bikes. They're interchangeable, all those different year models. So take a look at these pictures. Give me your comments and tell me what you think about the reworking and how the new layout is. So I really made this video because I want everyone to see exactly what they're going to be getting this next year. This is the new logo, the new angles, the new links, and everything looks great. So y'all check it out. You give me your opinions and your take on it, and I just love to hear that stuff. And check out these pictures. All right.